Good morning. Welcome to our fourth episode of Terra Talk podcast. Currently, ako rausa because my brother will be attending a conference and are busy jud kaayo, but he'll be back for the next episode. And for sure, we still need to continue, this podcast to serve you guys. Okay, especially ang episode karon is about budgeting. Okay, so I'm sure daghan gyud makarelate and daghan ni matabangan na kaning podcast, kaning episode as well, no? About unsaong pag-budget sa imuhang nadawat na sweldo. Let's define, okay, what is financial budgeting. Okay, financial budgeting is it's a process. There's a science behind that. Okay? Kay ang mga tao, okay, mag-budget, but dili nila isulat. Okay? So, if you want to budget, it's a process. So, you should first identify sa imong mga gasto. Okay? Imo sa check. Now, I'll tell you guys, there are three types of financial habit ba? Okay? Three types of financial habit. First type is, inani ang first type. Income. Okay? So, una income minus expense and then equals savings. Okay? So, sweldo minus sa mga gastuhan equals savings. Alright? So, normally, sa kanang habit, di ka makasave. Na naman, ikasweldo nimo, bayad mo sa mga utang or imong mga bayranan, na possibility nga ang imuhang savings kurot na or wala kay ma-save. Okay? So that's the habit number one. Ang habit number two is inani. Expense una before an income, okay? Less income equals debt or utang. So wala pa gali naabot ang income. So you did, no, nagkuan ka. Let's say for example, gamit ka sa credit card to pay this one, inani, so daghan kag gipalit bitaw, no, ang wala pa imong sweldo. So nag-advance, no. For example, nakita na, let's say for example gadget, and then you want to buy it like more ganahan jud ka, but since you cannot afford it sa full price, na may gi-offer, no, 12 months to pay, 24 months to pay, which in fact makaya-kaya raman sa bulsa. So imo buhat, okay, sige, okay, I'll buy this, pero you need to pay it for the next 24 months or 12 months. So na tendency nga wala gid ka ma-save. Kay wala pa gali income, imo na siyang gigasto. And then debt, meaning na pa kay rest nga the rest of the contract na kailangan nimo bayaran ba. Okay? Or the rest of the term that you need to pay for something that you buy. Okay? And habit number three is income minus savings equals expense. That's the best habit that you need to follow. Okay? So ikasweldo nimo, save ka at least 10% of your income religiously. Isod siya nga dili ka ka-access or dili ka ka-withdraw. Okay? Or imo ba i-transfer kung kinsa man imo i-transferan ana nga money nga di jud ka maka-access at all. Kasi it mahog siya og kanang for savings ba. Okay? Other tool na for savings, obviously, insurance, no? Kasi insurance, di ba ka maka-withdraw. Okay? Unlike kung ibutan na ako GCash, butan na ako og bank na ako access. Butang na ako og Maya, sa pa ng mga online tools diya. Nya, kung in-need ka sa kwarta, na, magamit nimo. Let's say, mga on mo sa mga amiga dito sa gawas, na. guba na imuhang habit number 3. Okay? So it should be income less savings, at least 10% of your income equals expense. You need to create your budgeting plan. Okay? So tracking your income and expenses, setting financial goal. Okay? You need to sit down together with your spouse, or kung single ka, you need to sit down together with your parents. Okay? Or pwede ra, ikaw, you need to spare some time to plan, no? Plan by writing it down, tanan mo expenses. Okay? Later, we'll teach you how to create your budgeting. So, yeah, this is how you can create your budgeting. So we have this so-called 50-30-20 rule. Okay? So, mo yung percentage ba? Alright, this is the science behind budgeting. So 50% of your income goes to your housing, food, and utilities. Okay, housing expenses basta 50% of your income. And then 30% goes to your lingaw-lingaw, no? Eating out, shopping. I can remember when we had a seminar with I talked to a lot of medical practitioners, and it's hilarious, no? Taonan kayo. Kay mostly sa iyahang kwarta daw, in a day, maglingo-lingo sa siya. So, makagasto siya mga 100 pesos plus for a red horse. So, mga na yung type of budgeting sa 30% daw sa eating out or shopping, or, pay yourself first, mga ma-enjoy ka. Because again, you are the money-making machine if you are the breadwinner of the family. And then 20% goes to your savings account. Okay, VUL ba or variable universal life insurance na siya investment, emergency fund, and at least 20%. Okay? Now, to help you, no, sa pag-budget, there are a lot of tools, okay, na pwede mo magamit. Okay? So what are these tools? If you're a millennial, Gen Z, okay, you can technically magamit man jud ka og mga application, no? Available man ya, tech savvy ba ya? So sa cellphone, you can download an app, okay, which you can use for your budgeting. Okay, mas lingaw ang tanaw-tanaw ka sa app. Okay? Now, sa mga millennials, no, normally not, but not all, but for sure they will be using like the apps na. But normally, Excel file na sila. Okay? So, spreadsheet ba? Kita nila diri may expense, mupuwa na gay na, okay, kailangan ni due date na. Okay? And then next is sa imong phone, no? Ang uban butang sa notes. Mo ni ako mayroon nandi ay mo ni pila na ako na save na. So, pwede sad ang cellphone, okay, or iPad ba sa computer. Sa mga notes lang, wala siya sa Excel file or spreadsheet. And lastly is the traditional way, pen and paper. Okay, so what nila na sila notebook, listahan. Okay, but the thought here is should write it down for you to track your budgeting. Okay, so those are the tools that you can use, no, in your budgeting journal. Okay, but simple tips that you need to follow. Number one, you need to be consistent. Be consistent with your budgeting. Okay, so kung na kay mga gastuhan, imo na siyang or mga bayranan, kailangan yung consistent ka. Okay, consistent makakuan gyud ka sa imong mga gastuhan ba. Okay? Okay, kay ba, di ba? Kung dili mga ka consistent, wala maguba na imong budgeting. Okay? Number 2 is specific. You need to be specific with your budgeting. So meaning ana is mao ni ang bayranon nako. I need to know how much gyud ay akong bayranan ani. Okay? So it should be specific. Third is easy formatting. Okay, easy formatting. Let's say, mao ni ang gastuhan, mao ni ang name sa gastuhan, mao ni ang expense, ang value or ang price rather. Okay, mo nang bayranan, okay, mo ni siya, kini. Okay, mo ni ang price that I need to pay. Okay? Sa savings, mo nang savings, mao gini ang intention na makasave ko. Okay, mo ni nga amount, let's say 20% of your income. Okay? So, number 1, consistent. Number 2 is be specific. Number 3 is easy formatting or formula ha. Pero ang pinaka-importante yun is discipline. Be disciplined with your budgeting. Okay? So, kailangan yun na, no? Okay, katong tools na akong mention and then tips, first 3 tips, kung wala sa kay discipline na mag-budget, mag-list, write down, tanan, wala. It can affect you in a way nga your budget or budgeting will be put into waste. Masayang na lang balik sa kauno. So, yes, have a tool and then follow those tips. Okay? Be consistent, be specific, easy formatting sa imuhang budgeting journal, and be disciplined. Okay. General advice sa mga tao versus the practical steps. Okay? Unsay advice na as financial advisors ba? So, general advice sa mga sa mga tao is don't go out with friends. Ayaw kadtos gawas kuyog sa mga amiga kay makagasto ra kag daghan. Kay dako imong magasto labi na imong mga kuyog kay mga kuan, mountain climber or mga katkat. Okay? Now, that is the general advice, no? Kasagaran. But the practical tip or practical advice that we can provide or that we can tell you guys is don't go out with people who pressure you to buy or to spend more. Okay? Pili agad ang imuhang mga kuyog. Right? Like for example, mga on mo. So, kay ba mo nga same ra mong sweldo, wag ka na ako mo gasto. Chip in, chip in. Yeah. For example, mga on mo eat all you can, no? And then adto gyud mo sa expensive gyud na kuan or ani sa same ra siya og imong makaon pero in an affordable rate. Ano ba mas barato siya. And then the importance there is the kanang companionship sa imong mga friends or imong family, no? Ang time na nag-spend mo kuyog nangaon, nagchika-chika. Okay? Sa pagkaon, oh, okay, magkaon ta, no? But the important thing is, kuan magyud kanang imuhang relationship sa imong kuyog. Ya, istorya mo inana. So, kana go out with friends that whom will not pressure you na mo-spend og daghan. Spend more. Okay? Next general tip is tan-awa mo mga gastuhan. Tan-awa mo mga gastuhan. Pero ang practical yun nga buhaton is write down every expense that you're, that imuhang ginagasto, okay, on a daily basis. So what? Para matrack nimo. Kay usahay bitaw, wala wa ni mo gisuot, nagpalit di kag tempura nga balik 20. Nagpalit di kag inani, nagpa-load di kag inani, no? Wala nimo na track kay ang ginagmay lagi. Pero sa barko gali, gamay ra ng buslot o niya di siya matapakan. Mo ni cause nga malunod ang barko. Okay? Small leaks. So, what you need to do is to write it down. So what? Okay? Ayaw tan-awa lang imong expenses, but write it down para ma-track nimo. Okay? And then another general advice sa mga tao na challenge yourself to save more. Okay? I-challenge imong self. Okay? I-challenge. Pero ang practical tip gyud ana is review your monthly savings and find ways, okay, to increase your income. Okay? Review. Alright? Check nimo kung sakto ba ni akong kuan, akong budgeting, nani, and then find ways to increase your income to help you with your budgeting. Kaya kung di naman gud siya makaya sa akong income, so dagag paagi how you can earn money. Okay? A lot of ways, guys. Alright? And number 4, don't make impulse, okay, purchases. Ayaw Ganahan ka na, palit na yan. No. That is normally mo na general advice, but the practical tip is this. Wait 24 to 48 hours. If the urge is still there, then buy it. Kung ganahan pa ka, di. Okay? Naiuban nga, after a month pa, no, kay mag-check sila sa review, pero at least, ma-check sa nila ilang feelings mga, uy, kanang, amay, kuan gyud ganahan pag yun ko mapalitan. Is it a need for me? Or gusto lang nako? So at least within the month of thinking mga, okay, ready na ako. Okay. Pwede said 24 to 48 hours. Ang 1 month of thinking it, marag, and then, na-realize na mga need yun di ay. So, yeah, just need to buy it. So, wait, be patient. Ayaw ka na palita yun. Don't be an impulsive buyer. Okay? And lastly, general advice, don't buy things just to impress others. No, palit ko ani kay mamay in. Okay? Alam, kanang mo, for example lang, modagan ka og marathon, fun run or unsa marathon. And then mostly sa imong mga friends, napalit sila bagong shoes. Okay? Kay basin all na gyud ilang shoes. Pero ikaw, bag-o pa gyud mong shoes, working pa gyud, no? Why go ba inana? Para mo appealing ka, para ma-impress sila nimo. Halo, bag-o lagi na yung sapatos, bay. Bag-o lagi na yung sapatos, day. No? Kana, guba sa budgeting. No? Palit sa bag-o na nindot pa imong sapatos. Okay? It shouldn't be like that. Just buy things that you need. Okay? Kung dili nimo need, okay pa mga items, then okay, ayaw. Okay? It can help you with your budgeting. Alright? Overcoming common budgeting challenges. Okay? So, unsa man na mga unexpected expenses and lifestyle changes. Okay? Unexpected expenses, mga kana, like emergency sa family. And then lifestyle changes. Okay? For example, nitaas imong rank sa trabaho, so technically modako sa imong income, no? Or sa imong business, nag-scale up ka, nag-open ka laing branch, so can also increase your revenue. Manti gyud mag-adjust ka, sa imong budgeting o recalibrate ba nga sa unsa man gyud need ani karon. Kay kato is mo increase man, what if mautangan og trabaho? What if ang business na down kay nani nana? So kuan gyud, go back to basics, check budgeting, adjust. Sa may kailangan na to, pwede dili unahon sa karon or dili bayran or kanang pwede ba bayran pero less lang sa for the meantime para dili magubay imong budgeting. To wrap it up, money, no, imong buhaton. Income minus savings equals expense. Okay, that is habit number 3 ato ganiha. And then the 50-30-20 rule. Okay? Next is utilize tools, what I've discussed, and then the tips. Be consistent, be specific. Should be for user-friendly yung gibuhat, no? Formatting is really understandable na depende sa imuha unsa ka unsa ano paghimo makasabot jud ka. And then number 4 is discipline. Okay? And then katong mga general advice versus the practical advice. Okay? So, hope you can apply what we've discussed here sa about budgeting here at Terra Talk Podcast. Now, thank you so much for listening, guys. If you have something in mind na pwede na ma-discuss, please comment down below. And if you find this video, no, na makatabang, especially sa mga millennials or any age group about budgeting, okay? So kindly share our video.